Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Corppass account. Watch the video till the end. To log into your Corppass account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Corppass login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link displayed on the page. It will take you to the official page of Corppass. Click on I am a user. You can either log in with a QR code or password login. Click on password login. Enter your ID and password associated with your account and then tap on login. If you want to reset your password, click on reset password. This is how you can log into your Corppass account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.